Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable the dynamic refresh rate DDR on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display in the right pane. Now in the right pane, scroll down and select advanced display. There is an option for dynamic refresh rate. If you turn it on, it will select the refresh rate itself. Just see what happens to the variable refresh rate when I switch it off and on. Okay. On, off. Okay. And if it is off, you can choose the refresh rate. If it is on, then it will select it itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.